Welcome back everyone to Reverse Engineered. I'm Jake, and in today's episode we are going to start pulling onto the frame of the Ford Focus ST and also remove that driver's side apron. Stay tuned. We gotta do a little more pulling before we try it on and see if it fits. finished pulling on the frame rails with the frame machine over there. The next step is to check for symmetry with this homemade tool. And the way we're going to do that, you want to find the grid mounting point, something that's not been damaged by the frame in the accident or anything like that. Put it over there on the spot. You can come over here and see how it lines up to this rail compared to the other one. So that notch, we'll use that as a benchmark. Put on the other side. And now we'll cross-reference that on the other side. Alright.
Perfect.
Set that on. Now the next step is to check it with the reinforcement, see how it fits, since the symmetry was good. Fits like a glove.
It's perfect. Just gotta put the bolts on. The nuts and it's done.
Alright, put that aside, and now after this, we're gonna have to move on to the apron on the driver's side. We're gonna have to remove all the damaged pieces over here. Then pull on it a little more to make it more straight. And then just weld on the new parts when we get them. Okay, so now since we are done with pulling the frame, we are also checking to see if the front frame rails are level. As it can be seen right here, that's the laser line on this side. It has to equate on the other side, and the same thing is going to happen here on the front rails, and that's going to tell us that we've done a good job and we've leveled the frames. So we'll lift it up a little bit, John. Alright, that's our benchmark, and same on the other side. And so with that, we are done pulling onto the frame. And now we are going to be moving on to the apron.
On this side we got 8 more spot welds that we'll have to drill out.
So I just finished removing the spot welds in front of this bracket. Now we're gonna move into the back of this bracket because it's welded. We just took off all the spot welds. All we have to do is just chop it off right now.
The mangled apron is off. This is how it looks without it.
Time to get a new one.
On that note, we are ending today's episode here. Make sure you have your notifications on so you know when we'll post our next video. Thanks everyone for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and follow us at Instagram at ReverseEngineer1. See you next time.